Good morning, students. As you know, our topic is unitary method. We are doing, in previous lecture, we are doing exercise 55. Question number 1 to 6 already completed. Now open your books, page number 212. 212, exercise 55. Now we are starting from question number 7. Your question number 7 is 2,250 clips are equally packed in 18 packets. Now find how many clips are there in 13 packets. First, friends, we will find the clips packed in one packet. Then we will find the clip packed in 13 packets. Clear? So first step is clips packed in 18 packets. These are 2,250 clips packed in 18 packets is 2,250. Now find clips packed in one packet. In one packet. To find this, we will divide 2,250 by 18. Divide by 18. Now students, divide 2,250 divide by 18. In first step, we will divide by 1. 18 1 are 80. Now 22 minus 18 is 4. Next digit is 5. Now we have 45. Now we will divide 18 by 2. 18 2 are 36. Now students, 45 minus 36 is 9. Next number is 0. Now we will divide by 5. So students, clips packed in one packet is 125 clips. Now find how many clips are there in 13 packets. Second part is clips packed in one packet. 125. Now clips packed in 13 packets. 125 multiplied by 13. Now to find the clips packed in 13 packets, we will divide 125 by 13. We will multiply by 13. First, we will multiply by 3. 3 5 are 15. 1. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. And 3 1 are 3. Now divide by 1. 5 2 1. Now add 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 or 1. So your answer is clipped packed in 13 packets is 1625. Answer is 1625 clips. So this is question number 7th. Clear, students? Now, students, question number 8. A car covers 2025 kilometers in 25 hours. Now find how much distance does it cover in 18 hours. So in first step, we will find distance covered in 1 hour. Then we will find the distance covered in 18 hours. To find this, distance covered in 25 hours, that is 2025 kilometers. Now distance covered in 1 hour, 1 hour, 2025 divided by 25. First we will divide by 8. Next number is 5. Now divide by 1. That is 25. So distance covered in 1 hour is 81 kilometers. Now distance covered in 18 hours. Covered in 18 hours. For this, 81 multiplied by 18. 81 multiplied by 18. First we will multiply by 8. 8 1 are 8. 8 are 64. Now multiply by 1. 1. Multiply 1 by 8. 8. Now add 8. 4 plus 1, 5. And 8 plus 6, 14. So distance covered in 18 hours is 1458 kilometers. 1458 kilometers. So students, this is question number 8. Next is question number 9. An offset printing machine prints 37,600 forms in 16 hours. Now find how many forms does it print in 25 hours. So students, first we will find the prints printing machine prints in 1 hour. Then we will find number of paper print in 25 hours. Question number 9. Printing machine prints in 16 hours. Prints in 16 hours, that is 37,600 prints. Now in 1 hour, 37,600 divide by 16. Sakshi? $37,600 divided by 60. Divide by 60. First we will divide by 2. That is 32. Now 37 minus 32. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now we will divide by 3. That is 48. Now 56 minus 48, 8. And next number is 0. Now students, we will divide by 5. This is 0 shifted. So print in 1 hour is 2,350 prints. Now find how many prints will be printed in 25 hours. Now in 25 hours, 2,350 multiply by 25. Now students, multiply and find the answer. 2,350 multiply by 25. First we will multiply by 5. 5 multiply by 0, 0. 5 multiply by 5. 5 5 are 25. Put 5 here and 2 carry. Now multiply by 2. 0. 2 5 are 10. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. 2 2 are 4. Now students add 0, 5, 7, 8 and 5. So what our answer is 58,750 prints. 58,750 prints. Now students, 10th question, question number 10. Now 10th question is, a factory produced 6,816 motor horns in 12 days. Now, how many horns does it produce in 3 weeks? Students, first we will find horn produced in 1 day. In second part, we will find horn produced in 3 weeks. In first part, number of horns produced in 12 days. Number of horns produced in 12 days is equal to 6,816 horns. Now, horn produced in 1 day. In 1 day, 6 by 12. In first step, we will divide by 5. 12 5 are 60. Now 68 minus 60 is 8. And next digit is 1. Now divide by 6. 6. Now students, we will divide by 8. So students, horn produced in 1 day is 568. First, horn produced in 12 days is 6,816 horns. Now horn produced in one day, divide 6816 by 12. We'll divide this and get 568. It means horn produced in one day is 568 horns. Now students, find how many horns does it produce in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, we have 3 into 7, 21 days. 21 days. So to find horn produced in 3 weeks, we will multiply 568 by 21. In second part, horn produced in one day in one day is 568. Horn produced in 21 days, multiply 568 by 21. Now multiply and find 568 multiply by 21. First friends, we will multiply by 1. 1 into 8, 8, 6, 5. Now multiply by 2. 2, 8 are 16. 2, 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. 2, 5 are 10 plus 1, 11. Now students, add 8, 6 plus 6, 2, 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of horn produced in 3 weeks means 21 days is 11,928 horns. So your answer is 11,928 horns. Next is question number 11. Students, question number 11 and 12, you will try your own. And now we will discuss question number 13. Clear? Now question number 13. The annual rent of a house is 58,500. Now find what is its rent for 17 months. So same method, students. First we will find the rent of 1 month. Then in second step we will find the rent of 17 months. According to your statement, the annual rent means whole year in 12 months. So rent for 12 months is 58,500. Now first we'll find the rent of 1 month. House rent of 12 months is rupees 58,500. Now rent of 1 month, 58,500 divide by 12. Now divide, students. 58,500 divide by 12. In first step, we will divide by 4, that is 48. Now 58 minus 48 is 10, and our next digit is 5. Now we'll divide by 8. 96. Now 105 minus 96 is 9. Next digit is 0. Now we'll divide by 7. 84. 90 minus 84 is 6. At last we will divide by 5. So students, rent for 1 month is rupees 4,875. Now rent of 1 month, rupees 4,875, and rent of 17 months, rupees 4,875 multiplied by 17. Now students, multiply. 4,000 rupees, 4,875 multiplied by 17. First we'll multiply by 7. 7 5 are 35, 3. 7 7 are 49, plus 3, 2, 5. Now multiply 7 by 8, 56, plus 5, 61. Now 7 multiplied by 4, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. Now multiply by 1, 5. 7 multiply by 1, 8, 4. Now add 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 4, 12, 2. And 1. 4 plus 3, 7 or 8. So students, rent for 17 months is 82,875 rupees. Rent for 17 months is rupees 82,875. Clear, students? Now students, last question of this exercise, that is question number 14. Question number 14. A worker earned rupees 1080 in 8 days. Now how much did he earn in 3 days? Money earned in 8 days. Money in 8 days, that is rupees 1080. Now he earned in 1 day. In 1 day, 1080 divided by 8. Divide by 8. First method 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Next is it is 8. Now we'll divide by 3. 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. Next is it is 0. Divide by 5, 40. So students, money earned in 1 day is rupees 135. Rupees 135. Now find how much did he earn in 3 days. In second step, he earned in 1 day rupees 135. Now he earned in 3 days 135 multiplied by 3. First we will multiply by 3. 3 5 are 15. 3 1 are 3 plus 3 are 9 plus 1 10. 3 1 are 3 plus 4. So he earned rupees 405 in 3 days. 405. So students, we have completed exercise 55. Now your homework is